Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I just want to appreciate every one of you that comes to watch my videos. My returning subscribers, I do appreciate you all. And for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Stella, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will really do appreciate. I say welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I made this stew. These are the fish that I'm going to be using. It is washed and clean, and I have to season it with garlic salt, a lot of it, because I want to use it as a coat for the fish. And I will go ahead and start adding onion powder. Onion powder gives it a good flavor. You can season it with any seasoning of your choice. This is what I decided to use. So in a pan, I'm going to be frying the fish. Here is my oil. Use any oil of your choice. I added onion because I love the flavor from onion, and I'm going to be adding the fish as soon as the oil is heated up. Fry your fish very well so that it will not break apart while you put them in the stew. As you fry, you flip it around so that the other side will be fried. And that is the tomatoes, scotch, bonnet pepper, habanero, the bell pepper, and tomatoes that I'm going to be using. And I have tomato paste, I have ginger, I have turmeric, and I'm going to be adding other spices. Now I'm going to be blending my bell pepper, onion, and tomato with the habanero pepper. Use pepper of your choice. Habanero is very spicy, so be careful when you are adding it to your food. Now I'm going to be bringing out the fish. It's already fried. I'm bringing it out from the oil while I'll go ahead and start frying my stew. So I'm going to be using the same oil that I used to fry the fish for the stew. The oil is still clean, and I like the aroma from the fish. That is the onion. I'm frying the onion first. You have to fry on a low heat. I just added my tomato paste. That is the second thing I always fry because I want the taste of it to diminish from the stew, because tomato paste has a kind of harsh taste. So when you fry it very well, you could barely taste it from the stew. So over here, it seems like the tomato is well fried. The tomato paste is well fried. So I will go ahead and add the blended pepper into it. cover it and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. I'm adding my stock cube, that is chicken none. I'm adding my turmeric. I'm gonna be adding my ginger powder. Mix everything very well. So this time I have to be adding the fish because the stew is 55% ready. So it's time for me to add the fish into the stew. Allow the stew to cook with the fish so that the sauce in the stew can get into the fish. Make sure your stew is not burning. So the stew is ready. I want to say thank you to every one of you. Please, if you come across my video, watch it, like and share it to your friends or family members. I really do appreciate. Thank you all for coming around. I will see you all in my next video. Please, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.